Welcome to a world of luxurious skincare, where nature's finest ingredients come together to pamper your skin. Get ready to discover the secret to healthy, radiant skin with the LoverCare Goat's Milk Body Lotion range. At LoverCare, we believe in harnessing the power of nature to create skincare products that truly nourish and revitalize your skin. Our Goat's Milk Body Lotion range is crafted with care, combining the goodness of goat's milk with an array of exquisite natural fragrances and beneficial ingredients. This is for anyone looking for a luxurious, natural, and effective body lotion. First up, experience the rejuvenating power of our Rosehip Seed Oil fragrance. Rosehip Seed Oil is renowned for its skin-regenerating properties, helping to improve skin tone and texture, leaving your skin feeling smooth and supple. Next, we present the luminous blend of pearl powder and licorice. Pearl powder helps to brighten and smooth the skin, while licorice extract is known for its soothing and anti-inflammatory benefits, giving your skin a radiant glow. Quench your skin's thirst with the soothing essence of Aloe Vera. This natural wonder is famous for its hydrating and calming properties, making it perfect for sensitive or irritated skin. Indulge in the rich, nourishing blend of royal jelly and honey. Royal jelly, known as nature's superfood for the skin, combined with honey and yogurt, provides deep moisturization and promotes skin elasticity for a youthful glow. Central to all these delightful lotions are our core ingredients: real goat's milk, luxurious shea butter, and nourishing yogurt. Goat's milk provides gentle hydration, shea butter deeply moisturizes, and yogurt helps to balance the skin's natural flora, ensuring your skin is always at its best. The LoverCare Goat's Milk Body Lotion range offers a unique blend of nature's best to nourish and transform your skin. Find your perfect fragrance and embrace truly healthy, radiant skin today. For more information, visit our official website at lovercare.com or call 1-855-588-9900.